How to transfer videos from your iPhone to your MacBook. Now it's really easy to do, so let's go and jump straight into it. Now the first thing you'll need to do is grab a USB-C cable, and you'll need to plug one end into your iPhone and the other end into your MacBook. You can then go and unlock your iPhone. And if this is your first time connecting, you may see a trust this computer message pop up on your iPhone. Make sure to press allow and trust to any notifications. Now you may also see a notification on your Mac computer. Make sure to press allow. Now once you've allowed the connection, click on the Photos app in the bottom of your taskbar. You can then click on your iPhone from the left hand side, and here you'll be able to find all of the photos and videos on your iPhone. Now to save any of these videos on your computer, you can just select the video like so. You can then press import selected, and as you can see, it will now save over to this imported folder. So even when we disconnect our iPhone, it's going to be saved in this local folder. You can also select this video and you can drag it to another location on your computer.